Freddie Sweeney lives a double life. On one hand, his life is loud. And on the other, it's silent. When he's not DJing at clubs, he's studying to become an American Sign Language interpreter. Believe it or not, he learned how to sign before he could speak. This because he was raised by two deaf parents. Today, he's talking to one of his mom's best friends, who is also deaf.
I went to deaf events, I went to deaf camping, I went to deaf 4-H camp as a kid, being the only hearing child at a 4-H camp. So, I grew up not only bilingual, but bicultural as well. So, deaf culture is a huge part of me.
But in the last 10 years, both of Freddie's parents have passed. His father was a leader in the deaf community, fighting for closed captioning and TV. And his mom is the reason why he fell in love with music. Freddie and his friend Christian regularly like to visit this record store in Greensboro. It's a place where Freddie can come and be reminded of the impact his parents had on his life.
It's the thing that I've been having to process, because now it has even a deeper meaning for me to be able to graduate and give service to a community that's really has had a huge part of raising me.
I really thought about halfway, and then just let people kind of come and go.
And now he's merging his two worlds. Freddie is getting his PhD in linguistics and is using his love for music to help create more access within the music industry for people with hearing loss. He's starting to do sign language interpreting at music festivals so people with hearing loss can understand the music. He was supposed to be at a music festival over the weekend, but unfortunately, due to COVID, it was canceled. But although he was not able to make it this weekend, this is just the beginning for Freddie Sweeney. In Greensboro, Taylor Neuman, Spectrum News.